Dear friends, welcome back to our channel Place Classes. In this video, I'll tell you how to speak English fluently and confidently. Dear friends, in this video, I'll tell you how to speak English confidently and fluently. If you want to speak English, then you have to speak English. If you want to speak English, then you have to speak English. If you want to speak English, then you have to speak English. If uh, you know every rules, sentences, modal verbs, passive voice, but you cannot speak English. So saying I am saying to you, only you have to practice and use some and weak sentences in your daily life. If you want to speak English, then you will have to speak English. More sentences, more phrases, more vocabulary, more daily use sentences, and many other types of sentences you have to use in your daily life, so that you can speak English and your hesitation is far away from you. So I say you, if you speak English confidently and fluently, then you have to start speaking English. Daily more sentences as I'm getting, I'm sleeping, I'm reading, I'm writing, I'm going, yeah, I go, I play, I write, I wash, I clean, I brush, any other types of sentences. Have you eaten? Have you gone? Have you written? Have you written? Have you given? Many types of sentences you will have to speak, then you will speak English. If small sentences, words, phrases use in your daily life, then I'm sure that you will speak English. Yeah, dear friends, many sentences in your daily life have to use many words in your daily life have to use, many phrases in your daily life have to use, many vocabulary have to use in your daily life, then you have to speak English. So I'm saying that you want to speak English, then you have to only practice. If if you do not practice, if you don't practice, I'm sure that you will not speak English. So I'm saying that you have only practice. If you want to speak English fluently and confidently, then you have to only practice, because practice makes the man perfect. More sentences, more vocabulary, more words, more daily life use sentences use in your daily life, then I'm sure you will speak English. First of all, you you have written some Hindi sentences in your notebook, then you have translated those sentences from Hindi to English, then you have to spoken those sentences in English loud, and then you have to those sentences speak without look. If if do so, that I'm sure that you will speak English. Dear friends, I'm saying that I want to say that if you want to speak English, then you have to write, speaking, listening, more sentences and more video lecture of from YouTube. Video lecture tenses, models, passive voice, vocabulary, daily usage sentences, advanced English structure, many types of sentences you have to learn, then you have to use in your daily life, then you have to speak in your daily life, then you have to write in your daily life, so that you can speak English easily. Okay, bye, good night.